Today, I'm on Knight Close in the well-regarded area of Monkton Heathfield. I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this well-presented 2-bedroom end of terrace home, complete with parking for 1 car, offered to the market with the added benefit of an onward chain, and conveniently located within walking distance to both the primary and secondary schools. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe valuation on your own property, then please do get in touch.